How to fix Fortnite crashing on launch. Hello friends, Fortnite might crash on your PC when trying to open the game. Follow the steps to fix it. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, find Neural Processors in the list. Let me clear that I'm creating this video on the PC having AMD Ryzen processor, so neural processors is not showing in the list. The computers having Intel processor have the neural processors device. So if your system is having Intel, you would find neural processors. Once you find neural processors, double click on it. Suppose this is neural processors, then double click on it. In the expanded tree, find AI boost. Right click on AI boost and select disable. Basically, you have to disable AI boost. This feature causes the Fortnite crash on launch, so you have to disable it. Then close the device manager and try to launch Fortnite. The issue should be fixed now. The game should not crash. In case the issue still occurs, then restart the PC. Now open Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Right click on Epic Games Launcher and select Run as administrator. Then try to launch the Fortnite game. If the problem still persists, then verify the game files. Go to the Epic Games Launcher, click on Download Manager, click on three dots and select Manage. For the Verify Files option, click on Verify. The game is currently running, so it is grayed out here. Before verifying the file, close the game if it is also running on your computer and then click on Verify. If the game is not running, then simply click on Verify. It will take some moments. Wait for it. Then restart your computer and check if the game launches properly. If the crashing still persists, then update graphics driver. For this, right click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters by clicking on this arrow. Right click on the graphics card. Here is AMD Radeon. On your computer, the graphics might be NVIDIA. Right click on the adapter and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Close. Close the device manager and restart your computer. If you are running Discord, then go to the user setting and game overlay and turn off the setting enable in game overlay. Then restart Discord and restart Fortnite. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.